Hi boys and girls. So on this activity, the directions say, listen to the text on Australia, then write the main topic in the box below. This box right here. Sort the details at the bottom. Either they are details you learned about the main topic from the text, or they are not details you learned about the main topic from the text. So when I read the book Australia to you, I want you to think about, are these things that you learned about the main topic, or are these not things you learned about the main topic? So I'm going to read it to you now, and then I'll read you these 4 details, and you're going to cut them and glue them. Either they were from the text or they were not from the text. You're also going to tell me what the main topic was. So let's go to the text, which is right here. So it says, Australia. Rosita is 8 years old. She goes to school in Bidangia, a small community in northwestern Australia. Her community is more than 100 miles from the nearest town. Here's a picture. I wonder what this is. Oh, look, here's my caption. It says, Rosita's School. Here's another picture. There's an arrow pointing here. Rosita in the center with her best friends, Jessica and Carla. This caption here is pointing over here. It says, Rosita doesn't wear shoes to school. The weather is so hot and dry, so Rosita goes barefoot all the time. Rosita is an Aboriginal Australian. Aboriginal people have lived in Australia for more than 40,000 years. 5 different Aboriginal languages are spoken in Bidangia. Rosita's school day begins at 8 o'clock in the morning. Her classes include reading, drawing, and math. At recess, she loves playing basketball and hide and seek with her friends. In this picture, the caption tells me that this road leads to Rosita's school. There's not much there, is there? Remember, it said her community is more than 100 miles from the nearest town. Down here it says Rosita's schoolwork. In these notebooks, Rosita writes about what she learns in class. Her class has been reading stories about clowns at the circus. Hey look, this looks kind of like our writing, with our pictures to go with our writing. So now that we've read this, you're going to think about what was the main topic. This was all about blank. Whatever you answered, whatever this was all about, you're going to put it here, where it says main topic. So the main topic was what? Go ahead and pause and write the main topic. So now, these parts here, you're going to cut them out and you're going to glue them. Either they're from the text or they're not from the text. So I'm going to read them to you. You can pause and cut if you'd like, or just do it at the end. At recess, kids play basketball and hide and seek. Is that a detail we learned about the main topic from the text? Glue it here. If it's not a detail from the text, glue it here. School starts in the nighttime at 4 p.m. Is that a detail about the main topic or not a detail about the main topic? It is so hot that kids don't always wear shoes. Is that a detail from the text or not from the text? Students wear a school uniform to school. Did we learn that about the main topic from the text, or did we not learn that about the main topic from the text? If you forget, go back into the video. You can rewind it with your finger and go back into the text and see if these details or which of these details were in the text. Good luck!